the only one that didn't get a notification for this video? What's going on, Hood Nation? It's your DFX. We're checking out SMG4. Mario goes to the fridge to get a glass of milk. Say that like 3 times fast or something. Anyways, please go ahead and watch the original full screen to tell you them blab, and you haven't Nidge, don't shut up. Also, they are cool with the reactions. And check out my gaming channel, MegaNidge. And like I said, I apologize. I didn't get a notification. This whole weekend, I didn't get a notification of a lot of things. So, whatever. It is what it is. So, break it down. 3, 2, 1, go. Mario crib. That place reminds me of the TARDIS, how it's like bigger on the inside than the outside of the house. Milk is pretty solid when you mix it with spaghetti, you know what I'm saying?
No.
The fuck?
No more milky.
I now know what I have to do.
Go to the store to get some milk. It's like a quest for this man. Or more like breaking and entering, but I like that model cart. That's pimp. Just go to the. Oh my! Don't do it, you ass!
Oh, howdy there, Mario. What's
I
up?
thought he was like an Okotron 5000. Remember that? Like,
Oh, the milk section's right over there.
like one glass too. I knew it. You better incredible dive that shit. Dolphin dive, quick! Just grab it. Don't wait. Oh no. Headshot, yeah.
Guys, you dropped something. You might want to pick it. Okay, don't worry about it.
It's a good thing that you didn't take that milk. Clearly it was a oh my, they're strapped. What the hell?
How you doing?
Security. Oh.
No.
It's not like a Walmart around. They're like everywhere.
Drunk all the milk, man. Give me my goddamn milk.
Bro, watch out. What a milkman.
Go, Ouija. Go, Ouija.
Salmonella guarantee. Ew. It's basically like chicken AIDS, you know what I mean? And that shit will pass on to you and kill you. Better step on it, player. Quick, throw Toad at it. Those ropes for sale, huh?
I am lonely.
Oh. There you go. Hell yeah. Better hold on, player. Oh, the big was a bad idea. That probably hurts. Ooh. What happened to his mustache? Must have got scraped off from all the dragging. Oh, oh, oh. I'd say do a barrel roll, but that'd be overrated at this point. Oh, no. It's all glass.
Hey, Stinky. Do you have any milky?
Yeah, had.
Mamma mia.
You start licking it off the ground. Yeah.
Okay, brother.
I got it.
Let's do this, my
Ew.
style.
Mamma mia.
Just walk into any store, avoid security cameras, and just start taking things.
Wow, Mario.
Mamma mia.
What?
You just don't want to get your ass beat by her. Uh-oh. Bitch, I'm a cow. right? They're gonna do something like that. They're gonna have to do it. Alright. Got some sneaky deek up in here. Oh!
Alright, here we go.
Mamma mia.
Yeah, you don't need a deagle. Don't appear to be drunk now. He's just gonna sit there and slurp it all. Or he's gonna do something stupid. He's the worst person to send in there.
Mario's. Winner! Just got a little bit harder. Come here, fishy.
Oh Lord!
Weapon! Drop your weapon now!
There goes Mario's phone.
Yeah, I'm sure it's soft now. Uh-oh. Big bad. Oh, it's Fork-a-Lot, whatever his name is. Uh-oh. You would know. This is the boss. Thank you. What the? Well, you're the other. You're the other milkman. Oh no! Drop kick him. I guess that was very effective. Oh no, homie, get out of there! No! Turn into a Roblox, man, like Minecraft, you know? Looks like Mario's the one getting out. That's kind of what I was thinking. Like, oh Jesus, Mario! Power button? What is that? Oh no! Ooh. Man, this whole place is going down. You already know how they do it on SMG4. I gotta. Oh. Looks like our homies are screwed.
Hi guys!
Steve.
Oh.
They're not actually gonna have to utter them or milk them. Damn, that's a. I need one of those cars.
Oh no.
What's it gonna do? Yeah, work us to death. I wonder about what Steve's gonna do is probably the bigger question.
Okay.
Oh yeah. Hi,
Who's a good boy? Who's a good boy?
Oh no.
Oh yeah. Go Luigi. Hmm.
Oh.
Hello. Sono lavato l'abito.
God, maybe someone should have taught him how to do it. Ooh.
Mamma mia.
Holy shit! I'm gonna milk you so
Ew,
hard.
what kind of shit on him?
Ah, crap. Go Luigi. Nintendo. Oh yeah.
As the night falls, let's see how much they gathered.
Oh.
What are you?
Let's go. No. Okay.
Yeah.
It's the real
Mario.
Praise Jesus! You should face up to the consequences of your poor decision!
Oh, here he comes.
Hey.
Why are you running? Oh man, he's fast. Oh, he caught him. Oh no. No.
Oh,
Oh
hell
Jesus.
no.
Oh.
Say what?
Demon God. Revenge of the Vegans.
Oh no!
He was like, oh. What's Steve gonna do? Fuck this shit out, man. Yes! Hit the deck, Luigi! Oh. What the hell? You need a toothbrush. Let Toad out, man! Yeah, we gotta go! Jack the ride, man! Ooh! How did he get behind him? I thought he was in the bell. Kick him in the nut. Well, kick him in the steel balls? Yeah! Sorry, everybody, I'm back. Oh, the demon cow, can't leave her behind.
Okay, bye-bye.
Should jack some more milk while you're at it, I mean.
War.
Uh-oh.
War never changes.
Oh, jeez. I don't know if you really want to park the ride there, because I kind of just... I like Toad's face expression.
Let's go.
Mario's the only one that seems to keep it together. Happy New Year's, he says. Artwork. That's a cool, I like those two. Kevin Luke there, fan art. Pretty dope. So yeah, also, please consider becoming a sponsor of theirs for just $3 a week, or a month. And you get added here at the end, you know. And on top of that too, you get to talk to them sometimes. They're pretty busy cats, especially right now that they are in America. So, but other than that, y'all, I thought this was a pretty good episode. As far as the top goes, ooh, it's really hard to say. I don't know if I'll ever, you know, because there's so many episodes that come out, and to remember every episode is a huge challenge. So I thought it was very entertaining at times. I was personally, I thought he was gonna do that. Remember that song like, "Bitch, I'm a cow." Bitch, say boo. Bitch, I'm a cow. At least put a little clip of that in there. I was expecting that. And also, congratulations being on the trending for gaming. Interesting that, yeah. So, anyways, y'all, if you guys want to join Hood Nation and all that jazz, your chance to do so is gonna be like right here. Of course, you know, play us to get your feet wet. Buy a cup of tea, I'll go find it's out there. Believe it. This is Nidge from DFX. Out.